Hello, so today we are playing some Rogue Company. This has been a really fun game, and yeah, it's actually been pretty fun. We're gonna be playing some Extraction. Yeah, we're obviously gonna be playing as Anvil, our guy. He's really good. I feel like, but yeah. Rogues Mastered Tier 1. Wait, what's this? I want to see like some. Okay, revive a total of 100 players. I can't really get that. Play 30 matches of ranked session. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. We're joining a match already. An Extraction. Okay. All right. Let's do this. But yeah, this is the new update. I will leave a link in the description to my first video on the new update. But yeah, if you do enjoy the video, please like and subscribe, as this really helps me make entertaining content for you guys. So it also is a win-win for you guys, but it's also a win for me. So yeah. Oh, destination, the factory. It never specifies what map, sorry, what country this is in. Then again, we shouldn't really care. Okay. Alright. This map's alright for Extraction. I wouldn't say it's the best for Extraction, but it's pretty good. It's very close quarter. It's not, you know, like out in the open like some of the other maps like Icarus. But still, it's a pretty good map for all of them. But yeah. Okay, we got a glitch. No, as in the player glitch. He's a pretty good character to have. I'm not sure whether he's been played on my channel yet. Obviously, I play as Anvil, but as in my teammates have played as Glitch. Glitch is really good. He like stuns all things around him and stuff. Oh, they've got basically an identical team, except Dallas is now replaced with Glitch. Glitch basically stops all gadgets from being used on the enemy team, so that's like going to be really helpful. Like Ronin's is the throwing knife. That's going to be really helpful because the throwing knife just nearly kills me all the time. So yeah. Anyway. Oof. Okay.
All together. Watch the flanks.
Okay. Oh. Okay. All right. Just place into that. Okay. Oh. That looks alright. I'm gonna switch into the normal road. That thing is pretty cool.
Extraction. Arm the bomb or eliminate all enemies.
Okay. Yep. I always have that feeling. But anyway.
Enemies have the site. Stop them.
What are we shooting? Nothing to shoot at over there. Alright. We're sneaking our way through. Please, I see him. I'm not stupid. I see you, buddy. Oh, jeez.
I'm down.
Okay. Oh, jeez, what is that? Didn't even know that was a thing.
45 seconds remaining.
Okay, didn't even know that was a thing, but okay.
Our ground team has been eliminated.
Okay, didn't even know that laser tripwire things were actually a thing, but okay. We'll deal with this, They can do that. Okay. I'll just get
That'll do.
and then, okay, let's do it. Okay, alright, let's do this. Okay, hi Glitch. Nice and safe. Alright. Don't know where this one is, but I haven't played on this map a lot actually. It's the same place. I haven't played on this map a lot. This is the first time playing on this map on this channel, I'm pretty sure. But yeah. Yeah, I haven't played this map a lot, like at all. Like regardless of whether on camera or off camera. Yeah. Okay, me and Saint.
Enemies have the site. Stop them.
Saint, what did you spend all your money on? Because you're still using it. Come on before you go. Saint, before you go.
This is what I do.
Yeah, go.
I needed that.
Okay.
45 seconds remaining.
got it. We did it.
Bomb
We did it. We did it.
defused. Mission
We
accomplished.
pushed together as a team and we did it. There was an awkward silence for a long time, I think. I don't know. But, okay. Alright.
That'll do.
Yeah, okay. Whoa! Jeez. So, what did you spend your money on? Because now you're pulling out the funny weapon. So, alright. This one, I think I know what this is. It's what on the other side, which is like, it's between two cargo things. They'll never, I don't think they'll suspect the side because we're all behind the right. So, they won't. At least I don't think they will. Hey. Hey. Oh, here. Oh, okay.
I'm on the objective.
Wait. Sorry.
Shielding here.
Oh, okay. How does that work? Shot me through the wall. I did.
Go here.
Someone help me. Help me.
I need help.
I need help at this position. Oh, things down. Okay. I switch.
Tell me.
By the corner. Change it so that the shoulder stays. That's what I do.
Area clear of hostiles.
Nice.
Nice
Okay.
and clean.
Alright, 2-1. Okay. Whoops. That's a weird thing. That's it, alright. Yo, that's another glitch. I think that's an in-game glitch. Oh my god. Okay, that's...
That'll do.
Yeah, okay, that'll be it. Okay. I'm not sure what this one is. Could be at the same place that we did at the beginning.
Enemies have armed the bomb. Defuse it.
They're right here.
You need more training.
Yeah. Alright, cool. We got him. Oh! Help me.
45 seconds left. Defuse the bomb.
Help me.
I'm on the objective.
Someone help me. Help me.
Bomb disarmed.
Help me.
Mission accomplished.
Okay. But okay.
Thanks.
Okay. That's another glitch altogether. We're in the... Why are we in the desert? Okay, alright.
I'll take that.
This is the worst place to put a factory. The desert. There's no water or anything. So how do you run the place? You could run it on solar panels, but where do you get the supplies of water needed? Like, I understand that you would not want to have it like close to the city because of all the smoke and stuff. Alright, where's the objective? Okay, alright. I have a marker on what seems to be an anvil. That is that bullshit.
We control the site. Defend it. Need help.
Jeez.
Tell me.
Oh no, they're gonna get AFK over here. No. Oh, I got an assist. No. Not many people. Okay, they are. At least I don't see it. So.
45 seconds remaining.
Oh, dude.
Enemies have
Nice,
been
nice. We got it.
eliminated.
Yes.
Do you think they were even trying?
Get back in there.
I'm probably bottom of the leaderboard. Oh, for some reason, I don't understand. Like, I don't understand because this guy's got more eliminations than me, the guy below me. But isn't for some reason, like, yeah, he's got it. Oh, do I have more down? Is that right? I honestly don't know how the leaderboard system works. It does. Oh, it's cash. I think it's cash. Is that what it is? Alright. I'm gonna block off this wall. I won't get the
Cover going out.
I've got the objective.
Okay.
We control the site. Defend it.
I'm using my C4. Oh,
Lethal out.
come out here, bro. I can see his weapon. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah. Yeah,
45 seconds
I haven't
remaining.
been hit once, and for some reason, I lose all my armor. It's just like 25 HP. Okay, the same is left.
Area clear of hostiles.
Okay,
Nice and clean.
I was going back to defend the objective, but okay. If they go back to get the objective, yeah, they automatically win.
You
regardless.
get what you pay for.
But anyways, that is going to be the end of the video. I do hope that you enjoyed it. But please like and subscribe for future content, and I'll see you next time. Bye.